Hello guys, welcome to our channel. In this video of class 1, we'll be learning how to open Microsoft Word and create new document, and also we will be familiar with the interface of Microsoft Word. Friends, please subscribe our channel and do not forget like, share and comment. So let's start. First of all, you will come here, start menu and click here and scroll down, click on Word. Right after opening Microsoft Word, you will be able to see this user interface. You will be able to see some feature templates here on the screen, and on the left hand side you can see home, new, open, account, feedback, etc. You can create new document and you can use any one of these templates wherever you want, whatever you want to create, wherever in your works. There are also many online templates like business cards, flyers, etc. Now we are gonna create a new document. Just click on blank document here. Microsoft has given you a blank document. Now you can work here on this blank document. Now first of all, we will get familiar with all these features and functions. First of all, let's say beginning in the top left hand corner of your screen, you can see here quick access toolbar. First, this is save, undo, redo, open. You can see here down arrow button. From here you can take any one of these options, and then here this is the name of document. This is title bar. In the right hand corner you can see ribbon display options, minimize, restore, close button. You can close your document altogether from this close button, and then below title bar you can see different tabs. In every tabs there are different ribbons like paste, font, paragraph, etc., insert, design, font design, layout, etc. We will talk about all these options in our next videos. Now, this tab is different from other tab. If we click on this tab, it takes us what we call backstage view. This is called backstage view. From here you can create new document, open document, information about your document, protect document, inspect document, manage document, save, print, share, export, close document, etc. To go back to your document, click on this back arrow, and then you have come to your document back, and then the roller across the top and down the left side, you can off and on this roller. Come to view, and if you uncheck this box, the roller will be removed. If you check this box, then the roller will appear and you can share your document. And down on the bottom left hand corner on the status bar, you can see page number and how many words you have in your documents. The exact number will be appeared here. Now over here on the right hand side we have some different view options. This is read mode. We can read our document from this mode, and this is default print layout mode and web layout. This is zoom slider. From here you can zoom in and out your document, and you can also zoom in and out with plus and minus sign. If you click on minus sign, your document will zoom out. If you click on plus sign, your document will zoom in. That's all for today. See you in the next video. Thanks for watching.